Hi, I'm at Jadescape, one of the most anticipated projects for 2018. In fact, when you look at locality, Jadescape is nestled in the rest of Kos Central region, surrounded by huge number of private properties and as well as landed properties. It is one of the very sought after investment, mainly due to its hinterland, rental yield and as well as long-term capital appreciation. The developer, Chin Chian, have incorporated full smart home in its lifestyle of the 1,200 over units within this project. In fact, in every aspect, the gold standard units, 63 of them, gives an opportunity to have a family bonding and allow our elderly parents to enjoy all the luxuries and the comfort for those who are little challenged in terms of amenities and convenience. Very detailed planning. An architectural masterpiece that comes with huge number of amenities, including a virtual golf course, 250-meter lap pool, plus many other lifestyle spas and convenience that is not witnessed in many other developments. More interestingly, here is the smart home concept, really integrating technology through voice control and as well as face recognitions at the lift lobby. In fact, some of the features and the lifestyles are never witnessed in the outlying or in the rest of Kos Central regions. What I am trying to say here is this: most of such features are very exclusive at Orchard Road, Kos Central regions, where the products are really very of high specification and high entry level. Fortunately, Jadescape for once is going to allow many of us to have the opportunity within our means to enjoy a lifestyle uncompromised. Jadescape, a mere 3 minutes walk, about 300 meters walking distance to Marymount MRT, and just one stop to Bishan MRT interchange, Junction 8, a shopping mall, and 6 stops to Orchard Shopping Belt, and a mere 15 minutes drive to the Central Business District. Lifestyle, MacRitchie Reservoir and the nature is just at the doorstep. Coupled with numerous elite institutions and schools, Raffles Institution, Aitong, and as well as the new Raffles Girls Campus likely to start next year, and as well as the Catholic High within 1 kilometer. With all these things and the shopping malls and the amenities and the lifestyle, what else can one ask for? The million-dollar question here is this: is this the right time and the right price? The developer, Chin Chian, having incorporated a complete concept of a balanced lifestyle and smart home, have also priced very sensitively for the initial launch. All I want to say here is this: nothing beats experiencing yourself. Come to the show flat, which is 22,000 square foot, one of the largest sales gallery in the recent launches, and you will be mesmerized by the details and the concept and the thought through in terms of design, layout, and as well as the finishings. Therefore, this is something that one should not miss and an opportunity, and I'm extremely certain these most anticipated project will do extremely well, setting new benchmark in terms of demand. Is this the right time to buy a property? The fact that the cooling measures were very recently announced, should one wait? But I must say, post-cooling measures, there were more than 500 units were sold in some of the selected projects, because the developers have given sensitive pricing and discounts. What about Jadescape? Our understanding here is this: Jadescape is going to be priced so sensitively that the first wave of people who come during the show flat opening are going to get it at a very attractive price. And this is something is only possible because Jadescape, the developers, bought the land relatively a reasonable price some time back. and as such, most of the savings are passed on to you. The longer we wait, in fact, based on some of the new land bid prices in RCR, this location is likely to reach close to $2,000. You'll be surprised when you come to Jadescape and you understand the price. Just speak to any of our PropNext salespeople to understand your affordability and a commitment that is almost assured of long-term capital appreciation nestled at a gold mine location.